In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Mailchimp account. If you're new to email marketing or just testing the waters, Mailchimp's free plan is a great place to start, and setting it up only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect. Begin by opening your web browser and going to Mailchimp.com. This is the official homepage where you can explore features, but for now, we'll go straight to creating your account. Look toward the top of the page and click Sign Up. If the layout looks a little different, you may also see a button that says Sign Up Free. Either option will take you to the same place. You'll be shown Plan Options. Choose the free plan to get started without any cost. The free tier is perfect for learning the platform and sending basic campaigns while you're building your audience. After selecting the free plan, click the Sign Up button associated with that plan to proceed to the account creation form. On the sign up page, start by entering your business email. Use an inbox you check regularly because Mailchimp will send important messages and, in many cases, a verification link. If you have a business domain, using that email can make account management easier later. Next, create a username. Pick something memorable and professional, since you'll use it whenever you log in. Avoid including personal details you wouldn't want publicly associated with your account. Now, set your password. Choose a strong password that's unique to Mailchimp, with a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A password manager is helpful here, so you don't have to remember it manually. You'll likely see a checkbox that confirms you agree to Mailchimp's terms or verifies you're not a robot. Read the short notice, then check the box to continue. This step helps keep accounts secure and ensures you understand the basics of the service. When everything looks good, click Sign Up to create your account. Mailchimp may prompt you to confirm a few details or send a verification email. If you're asked to verify, open your inbox and follow the instructions in that message. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute and check your promotions or spam folders. That's it. Your Mailchimp account is created. From here, you can explore your dashboard, but the important part is you've successfully signed up and you're ready to start building your audience and sending your first campaign. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.